you must buy my book, God's Creation. Many of you have been going here and there with your cockroach brown teeth, but you have refused to come to my church. Yet you do not drive a Jaguar like some of us, and you are feeling fly. Don't you know that 7 days without prayer makes 1 week? The Bible says you will mount up with wings like eagles. Ladies, stop jumping into conclusions like a monkey. Also, do not cheat on your man. Neither should you lie on him. You need to learn to seal your relationship away from beavers so it doesn't rat. And men, stop taking skunk. If you like that, do not jump from woman to woman. Are you a frog?
Jesus.
Don't you dare cheat on her, except you are ready to bear the consequences. Talk to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, do not cheat her. Do not cheat her. Can I preach here?
Sit down.
Don Jazzy is a goat. Greatest of all time. Ladies, stop pouring love emojis on his pictures. Because to win the key to his heart, you need a donkey. Chef Chi went to Guinea, bought a guinea fowl, gave it to Davido. Now Davido made her the next of kin. Now she's the chick king. Ushers, hold that nigga. My friend Ray has a pet, not a cat, not a parrot, but a scorpion. Ray was going to the pool and he told his son, "Bye, son. Can I shock you?" Ray got to the pool. He bought 1 hot dog. Somebody say hot dog. Somebody say hot dog. Ray brought out the scorpion, put it on his chest, and suddenly a bird came, wanted to grab the scorpion. Ray was in shock. He moved his hands to quickly grab the scorpion, and guess what?
What happened?
And it sting Ray. I feel the spirit.
Hey!
But I will see you next Sunday. Can you fuck off? Bye-bye.